I present to you the under-17 national team, known as the Golden Eaglet, sir.
You? How old are you?
Me?
Me. How old are you?
Okay. I'm 17.
Yeah, I know you're 17. What year were you born?
As I'm 17, I should be born in 19.
19? This is the year 2020. You mean to tell me you were born in 19-something? If you are 17 and this is 2020, it means you were born in 2003.
Yes, 2003. It was just a year after the 2002 World Cup. I just skipped my mind.
This tracksuit you are wearing, that's not the current one the current national team is using.
Throwback.
Where did you get it from?
This is Atlanta 96. I was there. I was part of the supporters club.
You were part of the supporters club.
It's not me. It's a souvenir. It was alive that time.
What kind of these are are you a virgin?
God forbid. Virgin. Me? Virgin. No, I can't. Since no, sir. No.
Shut up.
Okay. You want me to be virgin?
You have mustache.
Sir, it's puberty.
Puberty.
Yes, sir.
What of this one? The bald head. Is it puberty too?
No, sir. It's from my mother's side. We grow quick, fast in our house. Early menopause.
So how old are you?
Sir, my real age, or the one the coach gave us.
What kind of embarrassment is this?
Well, sorry, sir.
Sir, you see that I was right after all, sir.
Yes, you were. And you guys made me abuse him for nothing?
That's how we would have wasted a whole lot of money, sir. And that's exactly what I saw that made me kick against you seeing them at all, sir.
You hear that? You are due for a promotion. You expect me to waste state resources, scarce resources that are not available to feed this sham?
Your Excellency, sir. That's it, sir.
What are you still doing here? My friend, get out of here. Get out of my office.
Your Excellency, sir.
Thanks for coming.
What?
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming. Like
That's
our
all right.
cola money.
Cola. Call it cola. Shake.
My friend, will you get out of my office? What are you waiting for? Leave my office!
They call it thanks for coming. You can still call it cola.
Under 17, please. Come on, going.
Where you? Come, behave yourself, oh. Don't let this under 17. Because I don't marry your type of house now. Don't touch me anyhow. Dignify me.
Oga, you are in the president's office. You don't talk anyhow. Behave anyhow. Security will escort you to me. Yeah.
Security.
Open that
I
door.
will see that security.
Code red.
Your security. You.
Code red.
Your president. I'll brush all of them now.
These
are the great.
Carry your properties.
Your Excellency, I'll work on them, sir.
Okay.
Please.
Sir.
Thank you,